Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the console, wait, then hold the power button until a second beep to enter safe mode. Plug your DualShock into the USB port and confirm the controller is paired. If possible, back up important saves to USB or Ps4 cloud. This is insurance not required for rebuild. Make sure the Ps4 stays plugged in. Interruptions can corrupt data. Once ready, proceed to the Safe Mode menu and prepare to rebuild the database, which is the safe first action. Select Rebuild Database from Safe Mode. This reorganizes files and recovers corrupted entries without erasing games or saves. Why it helps? It clears file system errors and speeds up load times, often resolving safe mode loops. The progress bar may pause or move slowly. Be patient, as larger HDDs or many files extend duration. Keep the system powered and avoid unplugging drives. Once the rebuild completes, the Ps4 will restart. Make sure to test launching again. Once the Ps4 restarts, check system stability and run any pending updates. Updating can patch underlying issues. If you find missing or corrupted saves, restore them from your USB or cloud backup. Make sure to verify file dates and sizes before overwrite. If Rebuild Database fails multiple times, use Safe Mode Option 3 to update from a USB installer, which can repair system files. Key troubleshooting tip: avoid initialize Ps4 unless you accept data loss. Only perform initialization after exhausting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.